Hi, my name is Ritu Shokeen, and in Cyboard School, I'm teaching mathematics. The thing that I love about my profession is my kids. And as you know, that all our kids are different in their own way. They're very special, right? So, and you know that their needs are also different for learning. Like some of them love to learn with the audio aids, some of them love learning through visual aids and hands-on activities. That's the super thing that we have today. At Cyboard School, we are delivering everything in one plate, right? So for teaching one concept, we are using all these things. And when students are, learning through so many different activities, they grab really fast. And, that stays in their mind for a long term. When I was teaching in my class, there was a child, he said, ma'am, I'm not able to understand this concept. I'm a little confused. So immediately that thought comes in my mind that quickly go to your kitchen and bring some stuff. I told him that bring this. So he come with that, and what happened? We, the whole class did one activity together. And after that, I realized the smile that is there on his face, that was incredible. He was so happy that, with the stuff that is he's having at his home, he can learn so many things. तो जो वो experience था, उसने मुझे बहुत motivate किया. Kids are very happy. They are having colorful books, notebooks in front of them. We are doing lots of, fun activities because आप सब जानते हैं, maths का सबको phobia है, right? But I can proudly say that my kids love this subject because we are teaching them through so many activities. That's why, this motivates me a lot. Very energetically, I'm creating everything for my students, creative things I'm doing. And I would love to see your child also in my creative class. And I just want to see your creativity as well. किड्स से हम सबसे ज़्यादा सीखते हैं. बच्चे हमें डेली मोटिवेट करते हैं कुछ नया करने के लिए. So this is the best thing about our profession, that we are learning and we are teaching. Both the things we are doing together in our classes. So this is the beauty of Cyboard School, the spontaneity, the experiential learning. So I would love to share my experience with you and your child too.